Alright guys, so I got this thing tore down, and so it's a vertical shaft motor engine, and the pulleys flip the belt, so it's vertical back here, clutch is vertical. Runs down to a vertical pulley on the transaxle. Now, this is not going to be an easy pulley swap, because this pulley here is the one that would have to get swapped. And it is actually part of a hub that runs this pulley, which ultimately runs the transaxle. So basically I'd have to cut this off and weld a small pulley on. And I wouldn't be able to go super small, I don't think. So this has an 8-horse Briggs on it. Eight-horse Briggs, and it's pretty old. I believe this is I want to say this is an 81 according to the serial number. This is an 81 John Deere 100. So I have a 6.5 horse, who knows, and an 8-horse Briggs right there. And those are horizontal shaft motors, which I could very easily mount in here and just run the pulley straight, the belt straight from the engine back to the transaxle, utilizing this clutch. I think. And that would give me quite a speed increase and eliminate a lot of this bullshit. But so neither one of these are electric start. The Briggs, it chokes out the engine or cuts the fuel to shut it down. This one's got an electronic shut off. I'm sure I could figure something out with the coil or something to shut this one down. I don't know about that 8-horse Briggs. I'm sure I can figure that out, but do I want to is the issue. I can get a 420cc Predator motor for $300 and some odd dollars. I don't know. I'm thinking this is going to be my main man here. I think this is going to be the racer here, buddy. This tractor is badass. It is slow as crap, stock. But the way I see it is if I convert this over to a horizontal shaft motor and say this transaxle doesn't hold up very well, I'll put a live axle under this thing. It's got a steel front axle instead of cast, so I can really do some modifications here. The steering on it is pretty sweet. It doesn't have that gear setup. Well, maybe it has some type of... No, it doesn't. It's got... I don't know if you can see this, but It's got a pretty sweet steering setup for a stock lawnmower. Better than that stupid gear setup. I think this might actually work. Not have to put a rack and pinion in it or anything. I think this one's worth putting some money in to have some fun. What y'all think?